Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another day of biology class. This is Mr. Olson. Today, guys, we're going to start getting into something called symbiotic relationships. Now, understand that most of the relationships or most of the things we're talking about right now deal with bacteria, and we're going to kind of keep that idea of just talking about bacteria. But today, when we talk about relationships, I'm going to be talking about a couple different other species, so more animal-based, but this does correlate or correspond to bacteria as well, which is what you guys are going to get to today in your Google form. So first of all, guys, I'm going to ask a question. What does the term symbiosis mean? Where have you heard it? I know some of you guys have probably heard this before, so let me know. Now, as we go forward, symbiosis is any long-term interaction between two living organisms of different species. So understand that bacteria is a living organism. So whatever bacteria is interacting with, it's going to have some type of symbiotic relationship. There's going to be 5 different types. Number 1, mutualism. So it's an interaction between individuals of different species that result in positive or beneficial effects on reproduction and or survival of the interacting populations. So what I'm going to say to you is that this is a plus-plus interaction, meaning that both things are going to benefit. Key example of this is the honeybee and a flower. The honeybee needs the food, but at the same time, the flower also needs the thing to pollinate or needs the bee to pollinate. So this is mutualism. It is a plus-plus. They both benefit. Now, the other one is called commensalism. So this is a relationship between individuals of two species in which one species obtains foods or other benefits from the other, while the other one's not harmed. So this is going to be a plus neutral. So a plus 0, and 0 means just a neutral. It means that it's not affected. So over here, let me face out the way, we have the shark, and we have this remora, okay? Now, the shark is not affected by this remora at all, but this remora gets a free ride, also gets spare food that the shark might drop off, and it does get protection. Remora by itself, not too scary. A shark with the remora, that remora is now going to have safety, and it's going to benefit from this. Does the shark? Not so much. So it's commensalism. We have a plus 0 interaction. The next one is parasitism. So this is a relationship between species of living organisms in which one benefits while the other one is harmed. Now, sometimes the parasite might kill the host, but not all the time. So one of the key ones that we for sure know of are mosquitoes. They are a parasite. Are they beneficial for us? Absolutely not. Do they cause us harm? Absolutely. Have they caused deaths? Yes. Okay. They are not the greatest thing. Okay. So we don't benefit from it, but mosquitoes do. They need our blood to survive. Okay. So this is going to be a plus negative interaction. Next one is predation. So one organism kills and consumes another. So this is going to also be a plus negative. So you have your barn owl, you have your mouse. The barn owl eats while the mouse dies, giving it a predation symbiotic relationship. And our last one is competition. So this is a relationship between organisms in which one is harmed when both are trying to use the same resources related to growth, reproduction, or survivability. So one of the key big ones here for competition is, say, a lion and a hyena. They both have very, very similar diets. Now, that means they're fighting for the same resource, which is going to cause competition. Now, remember, I forgot to put this in here, but there's going to be a winner, which will be your positive, and there's going to be a loser, which is going to be your negative. That's just how the animal world works, guys. There is no participation trophies in this case. Now, that gets us through all of our symbiotic relationships. What's going to happen? You guys are going to go into your Google form now, and you guys are going to go into Google Forms and start going into bacterial symbiotic relationships. It's going to be a little bit different, but totally okay. You guys have questions, please reach out. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.